Page 32, Southpaw Serenade. This is a piece sort of like an etude. It's not. There are a lot of pieces written for left hand alone. This piece is written for the left hand alone. In other words, the right hand doesn't play. You can play it with both hands, but you're defeating the purpose of the piece. It's good practice. So what we want is you're going to play here. Left hand's playing both stabs. This piece happens to have bass clef in both. That's not necessary because you could have treble clef in both or treble clef in one of them. It's not important. What is important is that you can play all the notes in the piece with just one hand. So here, work them out. Don't worry about legato and none of that stuff. Just work out the notes. Here. Like on the third measure, when the notes are close together that you can reach them, then finger them in such a way that you can reach them all. And you should hold the half notes down. The pedal will help bring it out. It's just as fingering wise. So just work it out one hand, the left hand. Then when you have it, now keep in mind the melody here is in the bottom staff, so you're going to bring that out. Go ahead and add the pedal, and in this case you can add the pedal just like they're telling you to. I'm going to push the note down and then the pedal, and I'm going to lift the note or lift the pedal right after I play the F sharp. So I want to connect all that. Now again, I'm going to play the note and then change the pedal. Second line. I do a different fingering than they do. In the second line, I like a 1 and a 5, so I can hold that down as I play the chord. And again, 5, 1, 5. I'm using my 5th finger a lot, but it's a slow piece, sort of. So you'll have to experiment with the fingering and find a fingering that works for you. Together, something like that. Just keep it slow, and it'll be a nice piece to play.